How to fix Huawei Nova 13 camera not focusing. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then again click on apps. Now here you can see the option camera. Now click on it. And here you can force stop your camera. Now first of all, force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your camera, then go back to your home screen and open camera. On top right corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on the setting icon and then scroll down in last. Now here you can reset your camera settings. Restore defaults means reset your camera settings. After reset your camera settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.